Triple pop. Here, Yamava, check this out. Ultra spins, double up, extra spins. 264 bet, 1 cent. Come on. We need a miracle here. Come on. Come on, something big. All right. We need the birds. Come on. Hit it. Hit it. Yes. We needed 2 birds. Come on, hit it. Nice. Nice. Hit it. Thank you. Come on. Thank you. We need to drop a big number. Oh, look, double. Come on, drop like 100 or something. Hit, hit, hit. Nice. Now, where's all the big numbers?
Yeah, drop like 30 bucks.
Like 130. Right now. I thought it was 30 for a second. Come on. Keep dropping. Thank you. Something big, something bigger. Triple digits. Come on. Hit it. All right. 15. All right. That's better. Hit it. Oh, come on. We gotta save the bottom one. Keep going. Keep going. Save them both. Hit both. Hit the bottom. Hit the bottom. Thank you. All right. Back to 4 spins on each one. Come on, hit it. Thank you. That was good. Maybe we'll hit the grand. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Thank you. One more for the grand. Come on. 2 up there, 1 down here.
Yeah, 30, finally. 30.
22.50. Hit this one, hit that one, hit that one, hit it. Save the top one, save it. No. All right. Going out with a bang.
Pretty good one. Yeah,
All right, 1 spin left. Let's get that one. We get that. This is still pretty good though. close to 300. It should be over 300. Yes, 309. Grabbing the coins. You want the coins? Grabbing some coins. Come on, get them all, get them all, get them all. Got him. $309 winner here, Yamava. If you watch my video, please like subscribe to my channel. One time.